It's a 2019 Audi A8 L. Take pride in every arrival and joy in every mile. It's luxury, craftsmanship, and performance unrivaled. And for 2019, everything from the engine to the safety systems have been redesigned or updated from the 2018 version. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, multi-zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, hands-free liftgate, automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, Bluetooth streaming audio, front heated leather bucket seats, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo V6 engine. Edmunds.com reports this full-size luxury sedan features an impeccably finished cabin, refined acceleration, and polished road manners. Good things come in big packages. The grand form and great style of this A8L make it clear big things are on the way. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive. At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on 1141 Cobb Parkway Southeast in Marietta, Georgia.